I'm just going to drill the holes down here, and this is where it'll connect to the hinges, the wires. Following this line round, I'm going to use I think it's an eighth straight cutter, or router, a line all the way around. Finish routering the grooves out for where the wires are going to go. We might have to adjust these later. So moving on to the perspex. I've cut some perspex to fit in the rebate here. I need to clean. There's an odd few scratches here and there. I'm going to be using some car polish to try and polish the scratches out. So now I need to like mop the pattern up I'm going to try to achieve. So that'll be the like window board, if you want to call it. And then for his feature, we're going to be using these nuts. These are stainless steel, they won't rust. I'm going to try and get this pattern. Now I'm just masking where the point of the oak cuts through. So master's piece is up now, and we're going to be using some acrylic paint to paint each panel. Nice little countersink on there. So I'm just having to mark everything in position, pilot it through, countersink it, take it out, drill the perspex, and so on. So that's all dry fit, ready for the next stage. So now I'm just going to turn my attention to doing the wiring. I'm just going to mark the spot where I can attach a wire, which is there. And I'm just going to tap it out with a small tap. So just place the LED strip around. And then bob a little wedge in there, just hold that in position. So here I'm going to have to cut this off, I think, in that position. It's a bit long. Cut it off. So these last two wires will be for the hinges onto the actual window. And that one into that point. So I'm just measuring up for a mirror to go in these rebates. So I've acquired a couple of old mirrors. I'm just going to cut them to size. Woof. Woof. There we go.